Game 2, game 2. Nangayaw nung nakaraan ng
Start of the game two championship game between Puracdes and Puracdes.
0.6 seconds. May 0.6 seconds pa. Nagkapituhan sa pangyayari, tatlo lamang ng tres. Bago pumaul ngayon ng tres para hindi maka 3 points. Ngayon, naitira ni Kano sa baba. Pwedeng continuation, shoot. Hindi binigay ng referee. May 0.6 seconds. Dapat magpe-free throw pa si Kano.
Setting a play pass number 27, back number 2.
Nag-give up na sila, binigay na sa tres. Kaya game 1, panalo ng tres.
Number 19, pass number 8. Number 8 pass the ball, pass number 19, pass at 3. Go! Rebound number 2. Pass the ball, pass to number 22 drives, number 22 again, foul. Foul number 12, first personal foul, first team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, basket is good.
Champion na kaya ang Puracdes o game 3 pa? Sino magka-champion?
Pass, no.
Last prize,
Number 22.
Runner-up
Number
yata
22, pass number 7, Herrera. Pass number 22, basket is good for number 22. Number 19 has the ball, pass number 8. Number 8 attacks, pass number 14. Number 14 takes, pass number 19. Number 19 puts it up, basket is good for number 19.
Si Kano.
Official score 3-2 in favor of Puracdes. Number 2, pass number 27. Out of bounds, same ball. Rebound play number 7. Looking for his teammates, pass number 69 to number 2. Number 2 attacks, pass to number 69, basket is good. Lalabas ng titing madali ni Dreams. Rebound number 2, Pakate. Pakate with a 3-man play. Pass to number 7, Herrera. Fakes, puts it up, no. Rebound number 8. Number 8, diretso sa number 8. Number 8 pass to number 19. Back to number 8. Number 8 attacks. Pass to number 19. Bars. No. Now going to number 22. Outlet pass to number 2. Number 2 taking his time. Out of bounds. Green ball. Number 14 has the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Bars. No. Rebound number 22. Number 22 outlet pass again to number 2. Number 2 lays it off. Basket is good for number 2. Number 19, pass number 8, Lago. Lago attacks, lays it off. Basket is good. Lago. Shot out kay Gumong. Mancha. Number 27 puts it up. No. Rebound to number 12. Pass to number 10. Number 19 with a 3-man play. Pass to number 10 again. Floats it up. No. Rebound to number 7. Herrera. Pass to number 22. Alvarado. Alvarado. Pass to number 27. No. Number 22 with a defensive rebound. No. Number 22. 3 seconds violation. Number 14, Villa, pass number 8, Lago. Number 8, pass. No. Rebound. The number 19 with offensive rebound. Next to the number 69, pass to number 2. Nice play now for number 8. Number 8 attacks, lays it on. No. Rebound to number 69 now over number 22. Number 22, pass to number 7. Number 7, looking for his teammates, attacks, pass to number 2, fakes. Pinasay number 27, fakes, puts it up, basket is good for number 27. Official score 9-4 with Pedro progress. Number 2, pass number 22, pass, 3 points. Official score 12-7 in favor of progress. Number 19, pass number 14, pass the throw. No, offensive rebound number 8. Number 69, pass number 7, Herrera drives, puts it up, basket foul. Ball shot, basket is good for number 7. Number 14 has the ball. Pass number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 12, puts it up. Basket is good for number 12, Herrera. Official score 15-9 in favor of progress. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 27. Pass number 69. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 7 takes, drives, lays it up. No, number 27. Basket foul. Number 12, pass number 8, Lago, pass number 19, pass number 12 to number 10, pass, no, rebound number 27, pass number 22. Number 7, pass number 22, pass number 2, pinasay number 69, basket foul! Basket foul number 19, number 19, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Ball shot, go. Rebound number 12. Number 19 has the ball. Pass to number 12 attacks. Pass to number 10 to number 8 cleans. Drive, bounce, puts it up, no. Rebound number 22. Number 22 attacks. Pass to number 2 fades away. No, number 69 offensive rebound. Basket is good. 5-9 in favor of progress.
2 minutes, 29 seconds.
And second of play. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Backdoor play. Basket is good for number 8, Lago. Number 15. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 67. Number 15 fakes. Next thing, number 77. Pass to number 8. Number 8 leaves it off. Basket is good. Back-to-back points for number 8, Lago. Number 67, pass number 9, to number 15, using the screen, offensive foul. Offensive foul, number 16, first personal foul. Number 27, pass to number 12, yeah,
Kick ball.
big ball down. Number 15, pass to number 16, to number 9, back to number 16, to number 27, basket is good. Well up playing full press. There's a foul. Number 8. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77 back to number 8. Puts it up. Basket is good to number 8. Lago. 45 seconds remaining time. 45. Number 9, pass to number 27 to number 16. Number 16, bomb, spins, fakes, foul. First throw, no move. Second throw, no move. The rebound to number 14, pass to number 8, Lago. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77, spinning number 15. Now rolling number 77. Number 77 attacks, stays it up. 2 seconds remaining time. Number 27, pass number 14. 15 seconds. Number 8, Lucas Ortiz, stealing number 27. Number 27, 9 seconds. Silver, 7, pass to number 9. 5 seconds. Pass to number 1, number 67, puts it up. Score 23-15 in favor of Blue Press. 77, back to number 77, hesitation move. Number 8, step up, pass, no.
Shoutout nga
Out
pala
of
kay
bounds, save
Kamuta sa lupa.
77, looking for his teammates. Pass to number 12. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12 puts it up. No. Number 67. Number 15 has the ball. Pass to number 9, Herrera. Pass to number 16, Venus. Out of bounds. Save ball. Number 9 to number 22. Spins, puts it up. Wala. Who's got the ball now? Number 12. Pass to number 27. Foul. Foul number 16, number 27, pass number 88, number 88, pass number 12, puts it up, pass for this good for number 12. Number 9, Herrera, pass number 15, number 15, pass, go, out of bounds. Save ball. Number 67, pass to number 16 to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 16, pass, no. Number 22, no. Number 18, save the ball. Number 12 to number 8. Lago, Gerais, no. Rebound number 67, pass to number 16 to number 9, Herrera setting a play pass number 22, fast 3 points. And there's a steal, now only number 9. Number 9, Herrera setting a play pass number 15. Number 15, pass 3 points. Back-to-back through. For the table through press, number 77, pass to number 12, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 27, pass to number 12, puts it up. Basket is good for number 12. Pass number 15, pass again. 3 points. Back-to-back 3 for number 15. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, Babawe. 3 points. Roland na ng 3 points. There's a foul. Foul number 27. Number 27, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 9, pass to number 15. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22, pass. No. Rebound number 27. Number 27, left mamadali. Number 27, pass to number 8. Step back. Pinagiging number 27. Pinagiging number 77. Yung number 88. Wala. Who's got the ball? Number 67. Number 9, Herrera has the ball. Taking his time. Number 9, attacks. Pinasa ay number 10. Guys, no! Number 20, without pressing the rebound. Puts it up. Basket! Number 77. Attacks, lumusad sa dalawa. Pulling number 27. Wala. Number 22. Nice steal number 12. Number 8. Pass again. Guys. Back-to-back threes for number 8. Iago. Number 9. Herrera. Pass the ball. Number 9. Offensive ball. Timeout. Reverse. Seven looking close teammates. Pass to number 18. Number 27. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 77. Pass. Boys! Out and pass to number 9. Nawitawan ng ball. Number 27. Pagpas sa anim ng kalamangan. Pinigin number 88. Biggs. Lays it up. Wala. Out of bounds. Pass to number 77. Number 77. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Pass to number 12. 5 to shoot. Steal. Number 77. Number 12. Puts it up. No. Number 22, pass to number 9, Herrera. Ring number 69, basketball! Basketball, ball number 12. Ball, tatay ka sa dito, oh. Binakitaan ko ng isang malupot. Substitution.
37, 28. Naman pa rin ang puro-press.
Number 77 has the ball. Pass to number 88. Number 88. Attacks. Pass to number 8. Lago. Pinasay number 12. Wala. Nakuha number 69. Pass to number 2. Pakate. Pakate. Pass to number 22. Alvarado. Drives. Fakes. No. Nakuha number 69. Umikot. Tinira. Wala. Nakuha number 8. Number 8. Lago. Dire-diretso na si number 8. Number 8. Stop and pop. No. Who's got the ball? Out of bounds. Number 2, Pakate. Attacks. Turnover. Nakuha ni number 88. Foul. Foul number 8. Number 2, Pakate has the ball. Pass to number 22. Binalagay number 2. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 22. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Crossover move. Nice move. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8 attacks. Bombs. Foul.
Sala, walang tira.
Second row. Basket. Substitution. Number 7. Pass to number 22. Number 22, back to number 7. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling violation. Number 77 has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77, pass to number 14, Villa. Bars. No. Number 22, pass to number 7, Herrera. Herrera, pass to number 69. Number 69, pass to number 2. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, attacks, pass to number 69. Puts it up. Basket is good for number 69. number 14, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, bars. No. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 88 with offensive rebound. Number 77, pass number 14. Number 14, Biggs. Derives, pass number 8, puts it up. Wala. Rebound ni number 22. Number 22, Alvarado. Nakuha ni number 27, pass number 69. Number 69 to number 2. Number 77. 150 seconds remaining time. Number 77. Using his dribbling skill. Pass number 12. Number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Number 27 with the rebound. Pass number 2. Number 2. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling by seconds. Number 27. Attacks. Puts it up. Basket is good for number 27. Official score 39-41 in favor of Progress. Number 2, Pacate, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 27, nakuha ni number 69. Nawala. Who's got the ball? Nakuha ni number 88. Number 88, pass to number 8. Number 8, lays it up. Basket is good. 55 seconds. Number 7, pass to number 2. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, attacks, pass to number 27. Puts it up. Basket is good for number 27. Outlet pass to number 27. Number 27, crossover. Pass to number 8. Lago puts it up. Wala. Number 1, offensive rebound. Foul. Second row, basket is good for number 8, Lago. Number 22, 30 seconds remaining time. Number 22, attacks, pass to number 7. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 27, pass number 2. Number 2, 10 seconds. Number 7, Biggs, stop, puts it up, wala, out of bounds. Same ball, 10 seconds remaining time, 10 seconds. Pass to number 7. Number 7 attacks. Pass to number 22. Basket is good. 3 seconds. And the Busa, official score 43-34 in favor of Progress. Pass to number 7. Number 7 bars. No. Who's got the ball? Number 27, offensive rebound. Basket is good. Number 12, nakapitan ng bola. Nakawali number 2. Number 2, attacks. Pass to number 7, Biggs. Puts it up. Basket is good for number 7. Number 11, pass to number 12. No, rebounding number 67. Number 22, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 67. Bombs, attacks. Out of bounds, single. Pass to number 27, puts it up. Basket off boards for number 27. Number 8, Lago, pass number 12, Pereira, puts it up, wala. Number 12, offensive rebound, pass number 11, bombs, fade away, go down. Number 8, Lago, fade away shot, wala. Number 22 with a foul rebound. Number 22 has the ball. Pass to number 2, Pacate. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 attacks, pass to number 67, puts it up. Basket is good for number 67. Number 12, pass the ball, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, pass to number 12. Number 12 attacks, pass to number Wala. Number 22, Alvin pass to number 7, lazy up, basket! It's run for Clipper Press, pass to number 11, pass to number 8, number 8 to Vanderan, pass to number 12, number 8, pass! Basket foul, 3 points. And there's a foul number 22, Alvarado. Basket foul number 2, number 22, Alvarado. Number 22, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 11, pass to number 27. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 27.
Traveling.
Yes. Number 22, pass to number 2. Number 2, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 22. Pass. 2 points. Number 8, nagmamadali si number 8. Pinasa kay number 27, step back. Pass to number 11, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, fakes, attacks. Wala. Who's got the ball? Out of bounds. Number 2 pass, number 22, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 7 is number 7, Dustin score.
May bayad ko yan, yung nagsasalita yan.
Number 77 has the ball, pass number 12 to number 8. Number 8 fakes, lays it up, Dustin score. Number 8, Lago. Mobile time, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 2. Number 2 attacks. Pass to number 7. Number 7 puts it up. Wala. Number 27. Basket down. Basket down. Foul number 11. Number 11. First personal. Bonus shot. Basket is good for number 27. Number 77, pass number 12, 14 seconds on the shot clock. And there's some reserve. Number 11, deny. Number 22, pass number 2, Bacane. Bacane has the ball. Bacane, pass number 7, Herrera, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 22, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22, 5 to shoot. Bombs, pass to number 7. Basket is good. What a play for Clipper Press. Number 11, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay number 12. Binigay number 11, tumangga. Denied. Still ball. So number 14, binigay kay number 77. Fakes. Foul. Foul on number 7. Number 7. Number 77 has the ball. Bigay number 11. Number 22 outlet pass. Pass to number 7. Bigay number 9. Nice steal. Now only number 8. Number 8 attacks. Spins. Number 8 bombs. Number 8 fakes pass. Close it up. Short. Now one number 8. Basket is good for number 2. Number 9 pass. 3 points. Number 12, pass to number 8. Number 12, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12 puts it up, voila. Number 8, David offensive rebound, pass to number 8. Basket is good for number 8. Time out. Number 9, pass to number 7. Number 7, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 69, natabigan ng bola si number 69. Nakuha ni number 9. Nakuha ni ng bola. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, pala-diretso si number 12. Nice ni number 9. Pass number 22. Number 22 attacks. Basket is good. Number 8, pass number 8. Pass. No. Number 22 with offensive rebound. Pass to number 7. Bringing number 9 to the leg. And there's a foul. Foul number 8. Number 8. Number 27. Pass to number 69. To number 15. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 69 puts it up short. Now one number 88. Now one number 69. Number 69. Basket is good for number 69.
Tambak na. 70-43.
Number 77 falls. No. Number 69 with the rebound. Pass to number 15. To number 9. Number 9 Herrera. Pass to number 27. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 Herrera. Number 9, the red drive is number 9. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 9 puts it up. Basket is good for number 9. Number 19, pass to number 8. Wala. Number 22 with the rebound. Pass to number 69. Number 69 has the ball. Pass to number 15. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 69. Number 69 puts it up. Basket is good for number 69. Official score 74-43. 31 points lead. Progress. Pass to number 8. Lago. Lago pass to number 88. Bombs. Number 88. 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 8. Basket.
Bakit may last game daw may 4 seconds pending na yun?
Ewan ko sa mga yan. Hindi nila...
Number 15. Pass the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 Herrera. Foul. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Number 9 Herrera. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9. Number 9 attacks. Lays it up. Basket is good for number 9 Herrera. Number 27 attacks. Nice steal. Nakuha mo lang number 8. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8. Bago pa number 9. What a steal for number 9. Number 9 Herrera. Out of bounds. Save ball. What a hustle play for number 9 Herrera. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22 spins. Number 22 attacks and there's the ball. Number 22. Pass to number 27 to number 69. Number 69 foul. First throw. No good. Second throw. No. Rebound to number 8. 50 seconds remaining time. Pinasa kay number 27. Bigs. Number 27, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 11. Number 11 bombs, attacks, wala. Rebound number 22. Number 22, last number 27. Pinili number 11, Pigs. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, attacks. And there's a foul. Down foul number 15. Number 15, second person on the shot clock. Number 19, pass to number 88. Number 88, nabitawan ang bola, save the ball. Nakuha number 27, bringing in number 8. Puts it up, wala. Rebound number 27. 18 seconds remaining time. Number 69, pass to number 9. 14 seconds remaining time. Number 9, pass to number 69. 8 seconds. Number 9, pass. No, 2 seconds. After two, has the ball, pass to number 14, Villa. Number 8, Lago has the ball, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, Bars, no. Who's got the ball? Number 77, offensive rebound, basket is good. Number 4, first ball left.
76-47.
Number 77 with the inbound play. Pass number 12. Barrera. Pass. No. Number 8. Number 8, 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 14, Phoenix, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 14, basket is good for number 14, Dinga. Number 16, pass the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 15, Penrose. Number 15, using the screen. Pass to number 16, number 16. No! Who's got the ball? Not ready now. Number 16 with offensive rebound. Pass to number 15. Pass. No. Number 8. Now ready number 14. Number 14. Stop and pop. No. Number 10 with offensive rebound. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass. No. Number 69. Now ready number 14. Live up. Number 77 with the inbound play. Pass to number 9. Pass. No. Rebound to number 27. Pass to number 15. Number 15.
Sa interbarangay.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 9. Herrera. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 67. Number 67. Basket. 15 seconds in the remaining time. Pass to number 12. Number 12 attacks. Goal. Number 10. Steal. Number 1 and number 15. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 15. Lays it up. Wala. Number 6 with offensive rebound. Out of bounds. Single. Inbound play. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 32 seconds in the fourth quarter. Pass to number 16. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Space puts it up. Ball. Foul on number 10. Number 10. First throw. Basket is shot. Seventh throw. No. Rebounded number 8. Number 8, Lago. Diretso na sa number 8. Pass to number 77. Basket is good.
Bago number 77.
Nagkaroon ng game mo?
Oo nga, matulong ka.
Number 9, Herrera. Looking for his teammates. Pass to number 16. Number 16, attack. Pass to number 9, number 15. Pass to points. Number 77, making his own move. Pass number 8 to number 12. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14, Villa Bars. No. Rebound number 27. Pass number 9. Number 9 taking his time. Number 9 attacks. Lays it up. Wala. Number 16. Basket is good for number 16. Number 77. Number 77. Number 77. Guarding by number 15. Nakuha na number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 16. Play kay number 9. Play kay number 16. Wala. Number 8. Pinabing foul. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Villa. Attacks. Puts it up. Wala. Number 77. With a pass and rebound. Wala ulit. Nakuha na number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 67. Number 15, pass to number 9. Number 9, basket is good. Number 77, 5 minutes and 45 seconds of the fourth quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, number 12, pass, no. Number 9 with the rebound. Number 9, stop and pop. Number 8, Lago attacks, lays it up, no. Rebound number 27, pass number 2. Number 2, open layup, basket is good. Number 27, pass number 11, pass, no. Who's got the ball? Out of bounds.
90-51.
Number 15 has the ball. Field. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2 stop, puts it up. Voila. Number 16 with a offensive rebound. Basket.
Nice pass.
Number 15, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 16, crossover move. Now, calling number 18, number 18 pass, number 11, number 11 pass, number 8. Pinigay number 27, basket. Pass number 2, Papato. Number 2 taking his time. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 16. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket! Number 27 leaves it up. Basket is good. Go! Ball on number 11. Number 2. Out of bounds, green ball. Number 11, hesitation, pass number 27, bars, 3 points. Pass number 16, to number 69, basket is good. Pass to number 88, pass number 14, bars. No. Rebounding number 27, pass to number 2. Pakate, pass to number 69, basket again. Back-to-back points for number 69. Basket. Number 16, pass to number 2. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Number 2, pass to number 16. Bars. No. Number 16 have an offensive rebound. Voila. Who's got the ball? Number 27. Number 27 lays it up. Voila. Out of bounds.
36, 98, 62. 1 minute.
Bars. No. Number 16 with an offensive rebound. Green ball. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 16 lays it up. Voila. Number 27, basket. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Bigyan ka ng video ko yan.
Number 11, pass to number 8, basket. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Number 27, pass to number 11, basket. Steal, number 88, basket.
Yun na naman, ang Purok Tres ng senior. Congratulations sa inyo.